Welcome everyone with your program Peers of Union, who invite the most successful student person here in UAE. Today from Abu Dhabi City. Today we want to speak about the Indian food with restaurant Hyderabad Spice. Today with Mrs. Zahifad and Mr. Mushtaq in our program.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب.
أنا الشيخ عبد السمي من هنا حيدرباد. أنا شريك بارتنر في هذا المطعم حيدرباد سبايس مع 4 بارتنر مشتاق محي الدين ومظهر علي خان ومحمد إمران. الحمد لله أنا في كامل حافظ القرآن الكريم، وأنا في مقيم في الإمارة من 15 سنة تقريبا. الحمد لله في هذا المطعم يوجد لدينا جميع الطعام الطيب، كله برياني لحم، برياني دجاج، برياني سمك، وبرياني 65 وحلاوة حيدرباد معروف ما شاء الله، डबल मीठा वो कद्दू की खीर वो कुर्बानी मीठा। अहलन व सहलन जमीअन।
وجنودنا ليهم فخر بسماها، نيشان فخر لنا دوم وأبد، وبنت زايد للوطن الله حباها، ربت أجيال الفخر عز الطلب. وجنودنا ليهم فخر بسماها، نيشان فخر لنا دوم وأبد، وبنت زايد للوطن الله حباها، ربت أجيال الفخر عز الطلب. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها، لا تقرب منازل.
Welcome everyone with your program Peers of Union, who invite the most successful student person here in UAE. Today from Abu Dhabi City we speak about Hyderabad restaurant, the special place with Mrs. Aifat. Welcome Mrs.
Thank you.
We are so happy to meet you today.
Nice to meet you too.
So please can you introduce yourself?
My name is Zifat. I'm from Hyderabad, India, and I'm owner of Hyderabad Spice Restaurant.
Yeah, this restaurant is your idea. We want now to speak about from where come this idea to do a restaurant here in Abu Dhabi.
Being a housewife, I thought I do something in a cooking because I'm a good cook and I have a passion of cooking.
Mm-hmm.
So with the help of my husband, we started a business in 2012, and then we opened another branch in 2018.
Who the person support you? I think that your husband
Yes.
is the most supporting person for you.
Yeah, my
Can you
husband
speak
is the
about
one.
this one? How he support you in work, in idea?
Because most of the time I was sitting at home
Mm-hmm.
and I want to do something. So he told me what you want to do, because as I am good cook, so he told me to go for it.
So, Mrs. Now we need to know more details about your restaurant, Hyderabad Spice Restaurant here in Abu Dhabi.
We have 4 partners, but legal entity in lies with me, and we deal in traditional Hyderabadi food. Our restaurant is famous for a chicken 65 biryani and mutton biryani and chicken biryani, Sufyani biryani, and we are famous for a tandoor also, and for especially in sweets, double ka meetha, kaddu ki kheer, khubani meetha, and so many things.
Yeah, this is all from Indian food.
Especially from Hyderabad. all
Especially
this
from Hyderabad. Good. So now from your side, Mrs., we need a motivation message from your experience here in UAE for all women or girl, maybe think about the business or the private business. What can I say for encourage this girl or this woman to do like you and be a businesswoman here in UAE?
If you have a dream, follow the dreams, work on that. Many obstacles will come, but learn from those obstacles, and inshallah you will be succeed in that.
Thank you, Mrs. Afat. We are so happy to meet you today. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We are also in Hyderabad restaurant in Abu Dhabi now with Mr. Mushtaq. Welcome so much, Mr.
Thank
We
you
are
so
so happy
much
to
for
meet
coming.
you today. Thank you so much. So please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am basically a civil engineer, and I work in construction industry. I have done several projects all over UAE, but my wife was a housewife, so I want to do something for her. She loves cooking and she's a very good cook. So I thought that why should not I open a restaurant for her, because it is a food industry, and it started with an idea with 3 other partners who were part of the scheme, and we opened a restaurant, and we work hard. In 2012 the first restaurant came into the picture, and after 6 years of hard work we came and opened up another in 2018.
So, Mr. Yunau, any project or any restaurant, we have some challenge for the first step of business. The challenge of this restaurant?
What happened is that when we opened up the restaurant, the biggest challenge we faced was the logistic, the manpower, and the procurement of the materials. The second thing is that once you start preparing the food, the consistency of the taste is very important. The customer will not compromise if your restaurant doesn't have a consistency and a good taste. The customer will visit every restaurant once in a while, but to come back again, you have to give them a good taste, which should be worth for their money. So we are keeping up a good taste, quality, and they come back to us.
So, Mr. Mushtaq, what do you think about the success?
When we started the restaurant, the first 2 years, it was a very difficult task. But we keep working on them. We learn from our mistakes. We learn from our obstacles. And we succeeded in the first restaurant. Then we roll out the plan to start a second one, which we are sitting right now.
So from your side, after this experience in business here in UAE, what do you think about the supporting of government for everyone here in this country?
Opening a business in this beautiful country is very friendly and very supportive from the authorities. We have no idea how the business works here, but when we entered, we got a very good support from the government, we got very good support from the authority, and they explained to us the working ethics of the food industry and the safety standard, and it has been a wonderful journey in this last 9 years.
So also we need from your side, Mr. Mushtaq, a message, thankful message for all leaders and Sheikh here in UAE.
It has been UAE has been a second home for us, and the support we have received from UAE government and the rulers, we want to thank them, especially during the crisis of this COVID. they have financially helped all the restaurants, which I am very much thankful to the rulers and the authorities of UAE.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mushtaq. We are so happy to meet you today.
Thank you for coming
this
and
restaurant.
giving us an opportunity to be part of your team.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Everyone, thank you so much. This is our program Peers of Union today from Abu Dhabi City, exactly from restaurant Hyder Abad. See you next week. Bye bye.